Boeing stock up 3.68%. This is Friday, the 26th of September, 2025. It was trending at some point. Intraday high today, $224.1. As of Tuesday, the 22nd, printed I need to, Monday, the 22nd, they had intraday high, intraday low of to $11.43. Yeah, Turkish Airlines has ordered up to 225 aircrafts, 75 of them being 787s and then 150 737s. And Norwegian Airlines, 30 of the 737 MAX. Okay, and couple of things down here. The 737, the FAA has now granted Boeing the authority to do the final inspections. But the 777s, that's the much awaited one. Everybody's looking out for the 777Xs. It seems the production or the deliveries will begin by the maybe 2027. The safety checks have not been completed. They've not been approved for. They've not been approved for delivery. They've not been approved for delivery. I think, yeah. So let's see. Underlying trend on the stock is still bullish. Yes, still bullish regardless. Higher prices are expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 1st of October, after which we may have a brief, a contraction going all the way towards Wednesday, the 8th, and then after that, the uptrend may resume. Okay, no guarantee that that will be the case. That's an extrapolation going towards so many days. A lot can happen between now and then. Projections are saying 217. It's a downward projection, 217.54. Previously, we had up to 244. Yeah, 244. Okay, no, we have there 224. We have, okay, from the least, we have a 217.54. It's a downward projection, 220.57 also downward as well. 225.48 upper projection, 244.15, 252, 256.85. These were in place as of the 10th of this month. Okay, price pressure momentum on the 10-day moving average is almost trending, just maintaining the trend. However, the derivatives are negative, and the 21-day moving average is also severely bearish. Derivatives are negative. I think it's indicating that selling pressure is still very much in effect. Yeah. Okay, let's see the 4-hour chart for Boeing. 4-hour chart there, you can see why there's that rejection there. Okay, yeah, we know that already. Given the intraday high that was rejected 224, so it's affecting things, affecting the price pressure. So selling pressure is very much in effect right now. Extrapolation is saying that it's going to contract this expansion. The expansion began on yesterday. So yeah, so the expansion is expected to the contraction is expected to remain in place up to Tuesday, the 7th of October. Then after that, it's saying that maybe from the 8th, no, from the same day as well, it may resume the uptrend. No guarantee that that will be the case. The odds of that happening is not very high. The odds of it playing out like this not very high. Okay, projections to 18.9. It's a downward projection. We've heard of projections already. I've read out some already. So here that goes all the way towards 241.51. This was also the case of Monday the 8th of September. But we've already heard about. I read out projections that went all the way towards 244 earlier on. So selling pressure. Okay, for some reason it's they're both trending here. Okay, well it's magnified here, so it's a lot more. The readings here can be they're a lot more magnified. So the 10 and 21-day moving averages are trending very well, and their derivatives are positive. However, there's a negative second derivative on the 21 period moving average, indicating that yeah, maybe selling pressure is affecting things in the midst of yeah, even though the moving averages are still holding up. Okay, so we could have a look at the market grid for on this 4 hour chart and see the range of prices we have. So market grid applied. Let's see what we have. It's trading. The top of the grid is 226.09. The stock is trading at 221. So it's right on its 221, 221.32. Okay, so it's in the support zone. So yeah, the odds of lower prices printing is there. Yeah, on especially based on what we have on this 4 hour chart. Let's quickly have a look at the daily chart and see. On the daily chart, the stock is outside of its price channel, 221. Yeah, it's outside of the price channel. It hasn't adjusted yet. So we could just quickly have a look at the 1 hour chart and see. On the 1 hour chart, it is within the price channel. So it's within the market grid. So the price is 221.35. No, so 221.46. So it's here it's neutral. Here neutral between the resistance and the support zones, but it has a downward trajectory. So the odds of it testing the lows of 220 even is possible. 220.36 is possible. It is something that can happen. Okay, let's see what's going on the order books. Let's see, is it active at all? It is active somewhat. Yeah, there's some activity going on. Yeah, but not by much, not very much. 221.26. Let's see what we have up here. 221.44. 221 point. Okay, that's the current price. Let's see. 221.66. 221.92. Intraday high 224.1. 222.71. Let's see down here. 229.92. Okay, people are expecting higher prices to print anyway. Through 230.24. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on. Let's see here the level two. Okay, yeah, not as active. Not. I don't think not a lot of shares have really crossed the tape as such. We can validate that here on the daily chart. Let's see how many shares have crossed the tape. 12.85 million. Surely not the most active, or hardly, probably not, most certainly not the most active at the moment. I believe. Yeah. So have a look and see what you make of Boeing stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.